It's stolen by Bowden. Here comes Kimmy Ganong, 22. And Simonton backs her up. Simonton in the circle. Score, Bowden! With 14:33 to go. Kimmy Ganong made the charge. But we have a lot of fall action, including some excellent field hockey in the meantime. There's a shot knocked down by Hannah Gartner. Working down there, Courtney Peterson. It's in the circle. Gartner goes down, gets a piece of it. Ball comes in. The ball is settled. Now it's passed to the right. Back to the left. A shot and a big hand save. A big paw went up. Penalty corner for the Blue. Ball settled. Here's a shot. Deflected. Saved by somebody in there. One of the defenders. I think that was Mulaney.